So it's a 1955 XK140 fixed head coupe. There were about 2,000 of them made. This car came into Los Angeles, was delivered originally in Los Angeles, and then in 1961, I think, a dentist in Sausalito, just up north of San Francisco, bought it and brought it up there, and he had it until he passed away in 2013. And I bought it from his son, and I've been taking care of it ever since. It was well loved, it was driven, and there's a long oral history on the car. Like, I know several mechanics in Marin who kind of worked on it over the course of its 50 years there, and it had an engine swap. Its original engine blew up in the late 60s, and it actually has an XKE engine block now, a 3.8 liter instead of the original 3.4. For a brief time in its life, it was hot rodded when the XKE engine went in. Holes were cut in the hood, and the triple carbs were exposed, and then it kind of all got brought back to a respectable state some years later. So it's well loved, it's a driver, it's got some rust in the places that XK140s get rust, but it's just a cool, old, easy car.